Good morning, friends. While sitting in the corridor, an idea struck my mind that nature is a very good teacher, a wonderful teacher. Yes, flowers teach us to laugh, bees teach us singing, fruit laden trees teach us how to bow our heads with respect before someone. Wind teaches us to move on. Milk and water tell us how to mix with each other. Even the smoke indicates to go higher and higher in our life. In the end, earth teaches us to serve humanity. So save nature, save environment, and save Mother Earth. Thank you. Take care. Till we meet again.